Welcome to the secret world of beard growth. Ever wondered why some people can grow lush, full beards while others struggle? The answer might just surprise you, and it's not all about genetics. In today's video, we're uncovering 5 supplements that could be your key to unlocking the beard of your dreams. And we bet some of these are ones you've never even considered for beard growth. Remember, we're not medical experts, so please consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Ready to explore these beard-boosting secrets? Let's dive in. First on our list is the well-known minoxidil. You might be familiar with it for treating scalp hair loss, but here's the science behind its effectiveness for beards. Minoxidil works by enlarging hair follicles and prolonging the growth phase of hair, which results in thicker, longer hair strands. A 2016 study in the Journal of Dermatology demonstrated that minoxidil 3% lotion significantly enhanced beard growth, making it a potent tool for those struggling with sparse facial hair. Ready to give it a shot? Rogaine Men's Minoxidil Hair Loss Treatment Solution and Kirkland's signature 5% minoxidil foam are 2 renowned products harnessing the power of minoxidil. They're designed to help you achieve the fuller beard you've been aiming for. Keep in mind, minoxidil can have side effects like skin irritation. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning your minoxidil journey. Next up, we have a supplement that's a staple in the fitness world, but it's also making waves in beard growth. Moving on, let's talk about creatine, a supplement well known in fitness circles, but it also has intriguing implications for beard growth. The science behind creatine's effect on beard growth links back to its impact on DHT and testosterone levels. DHT is a more potent form of testosterone and plays a crucial role in facial hair development. More DHT means a denser, thicker beard. A study involving 20 college-age rugby players who supplemented with creatine showed a remarkable increase in their DHT levels by 56% after a week of loading doses. This significant boost in DHT can contribute to enhanced beard growth. For those considering creatine, products like Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Powder or MuscleTech Platinum 100% Creatine are reputable options. They're not just for athletes. Even if you're not hitting the gym, creatine can still elevate testosterone levels at rest. Remember though, while creatine is generally well tolerated, it's essential to stay hydrated and consult a healthcare professional before starting, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Next, we're diving into a mineral that might just give your beard growth a significant boost. Our journey continues with boron, a mineral that might be the secret to a more robust beard. While it's often overlooked, the science behind boron's potential for beard growth is intriguing. Boron plays a role in various physiological processes, including the metabolism of hormones like testosterone and vitamin D. Research suggests that boron might enhance the conversion of testosterone into a more potent form, dihydrotestosterone (DHT), which again is crucial for facial hair growth. One study published in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology found that boron supplementation increased the levels of testosterone and DHT in men. This suggests that boron might indirectly promote a denser, fuller beard. For those curious to give boron a try, products like Now Supplements Boron and Nature's Way Boron Complex are readily available. As with any supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting. Up next, we're diving into the most commonly used supplements for beard growth. Now let's explore another powerhouse supplement for beard growth, collagen. This protein is more than just a beauty trend. It has solid science backing its role in promoting hair, including facial hair growth. Collagen is a vital structural protein that forms the foundation of your hair, skin, and nails. It provides essential amino acids that support the growth and strength of these structures. When it comes to your beard, collagen can help improve the health and condition of hair follicles, potentially leading to a fuller and more robust beard. To incorporate collagen into your daily routine, products like Sports Research Collagen Peptides and Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides are excellent options. Consistency is key, so give it some time to see the results. Next, let's delve into zinc, a mineral that plays a pivotal role in various biological processes, including hair growth. But how does it directly impact your beard? Let's uncover the science. Zinc deficiency has been linked to hair loss, and getting enough zinc may be the key to supporting healthy beard growth. To understand the direct impact of zinc on beard growth, a study published in the Journal of Dermatology investigated the effects of zinc supplementation on hair growth, including facial hair. The results were promising. Participants who received zinc supplements showed increased hair growth, confirming zinc's potential role in promoting a fuller beard. To ensure you're getting enough zinc in your diet, products like Nature's Way Zinc Chelate and Solgar Chelated Zinc are reliable choices. Remember, a balanced diet with essential nutrients is vital for overall health and beard growth. With biotin and zinc, you have two scientifically backed options to enhance your beard growth. But before we wrap up, let's have a quick overview of our top 5 science-based supplements for a fuller, luscious beard. Before we wrap up our journey through the world of beard growth supplements, we started with minoxidil, a clinically proven topical solution that can stimulate beard growth. Then we explored creatine, which might indirectly boost beard growth by elevating DHT levels. Next, boron showed promise in enhancing testosterone and DHT, crucial for facial hair development. Collagen, known as the beauty vitamin, has solid scientific evidence supporting its role in beard growth. And finally, zinc, a mineral linked to overall hair health, including facial hair. But here's an essential reminder. Before adding any supplements to your routine, consult a healthcare professional. Your health is our top priority, and individual needs can vary. And there you have it, a guide to some remarkable supplements for a fuller, luscious beard. Whether you're just starting your beard journey or looking to enhance your existing beard, these options provide a scientific foundation for your grooming routine. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, consistency is key. Give these supplements time to work their magic, and you could be rocking the beard of your dreams. Thank you for joining us today on this beard adventure. Until next time, stay bearded and stay confident.